Hi guys, welcome to my review of real Alphonso mango fruit juice. Today we will be diving into the taste, quality and overall experience of this popular fruit juice. So MRP of this 1 liter mango juice is 180 rupees, but you get this one from Amazon at a very good discount, almost at 50% discount. And the shelf life of this juice is 6 months. But once you open the pack, you consume it within 5 days, alright? And this 1 liter of juice pack contains 22% of Alphonso mango juice. Rest all is water, sugar, regulators, and the real fruit juice comes in many variants. So it's a double product. As soon as you open the bottle, you are greeted with the sweet, enticing scent of mangoes. Consistency is pourable and it is rich in texture. When it comes to the taste, each sip is bursting with the rich and flavorful mango juice, making it an enjoyable drink, and you can also add this to your mango shakes, your smoothies or just plain. It tastes delicious. But take a pause. If you look at the nutritional information of this Alphonso juice, it has 11.7 gram of added sugar in each 100 ml, which is like really too much. Out of all the real fruit juice, if you really want to try, go for Mosmi flavor. That has the least added sugar, just 3 gram, which is okay. But this one, 11.6 is too much. So this juice can be convenient and may provide some vitamin and mineral, but they are not equal to consuming the whole fruit or freshly squeezed juice in terms of nutritional value. In conclusion, this fruit juice is loaded with lots of sugar, so it's okay to have it once in a while, but not on regular daily basis, not at all. So that was all about it. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.